So I think from my perspective that a story from the field, if you will, would really help our audience connect the dots. So can you share an example from Smucker's where you tracked OEE and it turned into real world gains, kind of like, finally bringing down that biggest buck of the season?
Sure. A great example from our coffee business. We had a horizontal form fill bagger making a gusseted bottom, bag to put coffee in. It wasn't a complex machine. It was like 8 servo axes, a bunch of cams, heaters, et cetera, on the machine. Ran about 30, 35 bags a minute, your standard run-of-the-mill horizontal bagger. It was running about 35, 38% OEE when we decided to go focus on making that machine run better. And if you look at it from an availability standpoint, there were certain things that machine required. It required to be shut down to splice in a roll and of new film and things like that. So there are certain parts of the 24-hour day we were not going to be able to go after. But the other parts, the performance issues, the quality issues, we're able to go out and really address. And after about a year of working on that piece of equipment with a multifunctional team, which is a key, because stereotypically, if you ask the engineer, it was a perfect machine. It's just the operations messed it up. You ask the operations, engineering bought the wrong one, and quality complains we can't make anything right. So, you name it. Everybody
back and forth.
Yeah. So the great thing is you get everybody in the room, get everybody bought into really making it hum. And in doing that and going through about a year's worth of effort, we got to where the 1 month that machine ran 9 12-hour shifts with no unplanned stops.
Oh, very good.
So compare that to a 30, 35% OEE to start with. When you have 9 perfect shifts, you got to put that one in the W column.
Yep, that's impressive.